Hello ladies and gents, welcome to My Natural Hair Delight. My name is Brittany Shine, and today I am going to talk about the purpose of co-washing your hair. What's the purpose of co-washing? Okay, the purpose of co-washing your hair is to remove the product buildup from your scalp. What do I mean by that? Like when your scalp feels very greasy or very oily, like very thick and greasy, like whenever you wash your hair, if you go straight to washing without co-washing your hair first, then you will run the risk of having a product buildup on your scalp and on your around your edges, and I'll show you the picture. So this is what the picture looks like. When your hair looks like this, that means you have product buildup, and it is hard to remove that from your hair when you have not co-washed your hair first. Now, sometimes, depending on what you apply to your hair throughout the week, sometimes you may not need to co-wash your hair. But if you apply any type of butter, any type of hair grease, any type of oils, or just any type of butters specifically, because butters is very thick, so if you apply shea butter or mango butter and you apply that to your hair and you go 2 weeks without washing your hair, depending on how much you apply to your hair, it's going to build up like that. All of those ingredients are going to be sitting on your scalp, and when it comes time to wash it, it's going to be very hard to remove all of those ingredients on your scalp if you don't first co-wash your hair. So you have to first remove that, and apple cider vinegar is definitely a go-to ingredient when you're trying to co-wash your hair, because it helps to remove that from your scalp and from your hair strands. Aloe vera and apple cider vinegar, those are the two main ingredients that you can use to co-wash your hair. Now, there are other ingredients that you can mix along with those two ingredients, but those are the main two ingredients that you will want to use when you co-wash your hair. Now, it is not a shampoo replacement, so you still need to wash your hair. You still need to thoroughly wash your hair. But that is the first step that I would highly recommend, and I wish I would have known that back then when I first went natural, because I didn't really know the purpose of it, and I was like, okay, why are people co-washing their hair? What's the purpose of co-washing? I don't get it. So I just skipped over it because I didn't know the purpose of it. But now I'm like, oh no, we need to co-wash before we wash our hair. Okay, so step 1, co-wash. Step 2, wash your hair with shampoo. I use African black soap as my shampoo, so I actually turned my African black soap into a liquid soap, and I'm actually working on creating a creamy shampoo, and it's going to be with all natural ingredients, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you want to learn how to co-wash your hair, I have a video of that as well. You can go check that out, how to co-wash your natural hair. So thank you all for watching. I hope this has helped you all to grow, take care, and maintain your natural hair. And if you would like more information about the Moringa Delight or about the ebook or audiobook, you can go check out my website at www.mynaturalhairdelight.com. And if you found this video helpful, you can like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at My Natural Hair Delight. And I will talk to you all again soon. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.